Kids, today we are going to talk about awards. What are awards? An award, sometimes called a distinction, is something given to recipient as a token of recognition of excellence in a certain field. When in other words, when somebody achieve excellence in some field, he is being awarded. Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK virtual class. Today we are going to do page number 58. It is related to awards and accolades. Various awards and honors are given to the people, persons and organizations who excel in various fields like film, literature, music, charity, etc. We are going to name few personalities associated with the awards and honors. Let's do. Before starting the topic, let's see the learning outcomes. After the completion of this topic, students, you will be able to identify the names of famous personalities associated with the various awards and honors given in the page. You will be able to know many things, many facts about these famous personalities. Let's do page number 58. The first one is Walt Disney. He won the greatest number of Oscars in his lifetime. Walt Disney was an American animator, writer, voice actor, and film producer. He was the creator of many cartoon characters like Mickey. Second one is the highest civilian award of the Indian is Bharat Ratna, has been awarded to only two foreigners so far. One of them is Nelson Mandela and the other is Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He belongs to Pakistan. Nelson Mandela, the first recipient of Human Rights Award. Nelson Mandela was former president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. Fourth one, the journalist, economist who refused to accept Padma Bhushan was Arun Shourie. He refused this in accordance with the Operation Blue Star. One, Vidhu Vinod Chopra made Encounter with Faces in 1979, the first Indian documentary film to be nominated for an Oscar award. Indira Gandhi Award for International Justice and Harmony was given to Yasser Arafat. One, the first recipient of Jawaharlal Nehru Award was Uthand for his outstanding contribution to promote international understanding and friendship. Eighth one, Arun Netrowal received the US highest award for lifetime achievement in the field of scientific research from the US President George W. Bush. You kids, by the end of this video, you will be able to identify the names of famous personalities associated with various awards and honors. Now I have one question for you to answer. You have to tell me the names of the recipients of Bharat Ratna Award 20 in the year 2020. And have a cheerful day.